Aloha. Welcome to another video for IT 426 at Brigham Young University, Hawaii. In this video, let's look at features in Windows Server 2008. In the last video, I talked about server roles, bundles of services that commonly go together for easier management, such as file services or web services or um, the IIS web server, print services, fax services, things like that. Those are bundles of services available to help the system administrator properly manage the primary purpose of the server. Features, on the other hand, focus on individual uh, components of the server operating system that can be added to a given role. And you can install an individual feature or any combination of features that you like. So let's look at a couple of these features that are available. Your textbook for this course provides a whole list of lots of different features, and you can probably find a similar list online. But I've written down a couple just for illustrative purposes. So let's look at the board and see what we're looking at. Okay, so I've written encryption as the first one. So BitLocker encryption allows us to encrypt an entire volume on our server, an entire drive, and encrypt it so that the contents cannot be accessed until the user or the service properly validates. Okay, so that's BitLocker encryption. We also have traditional networking protocols such as SNMP and SMTP, depending on the needs and what we're using our server for. We also have remote assistance, which provides the capability for users to request assistance and others to respond and remotely access the desktop to provide that perhaps technical support. And another one I've mentioned here is the desktop experience. Uh, Server environments usually are not used as desktop computing devices, and particularly with the server core, there is no or virtually no user interface beyond the command line. Desktop experience allows a server to be used with all of the features available on the Windows, say the Windows 7 desktop. So if you have a server that you're using as a desktop computer as well, perhaps in a small environment, then desktop experience is a feature that can be added on regardless of whatever role that you've included in your or applied to your server. So that's features. Once again, features in comparison to roles. Roles are bundles of services. You assign a role or one or more roles to a server. Features, on the other hand, can be applied individually or in whatever grouping you want to any server, regardless of the role that it is serving or providing. So that's it for this video. Hope you've enjoyed. Happy studying, and I look forward to your feedback. Mahalo.